Dr. Michael Schaefer, one of the cardiologists of children's. I'm glad you come here and celebrate with us at the Little Hearts Fashion Show.
Hi, I'm Dr. Doug Moravi. I'm Chief of Pediatric Cardiology at Children's Hospital. The Little Hearts Luncheon started in 1985, and since then all of the money is used to help families in need.
Hi, I'm Lynn Schaefer. I'm chairperson of the Little Hearts Luncheon and Fashion Show, and I've been chairing for 15 years now.
Thank you, Kim. And thank you to all of you for being here today to help us celebrate the kids, the families, and staff. I'd like to recognize the hard work of the Little Hearts Committee, our patients, models, families, and all of the Heart Institute supporters. On behalf of our hardworking Little Hearts Event Planning Committee, we thank you from the very bottom of our hearts. No pun intended.
And so we are looking for the best and the brightest physicians to join us and to begin to consider stem cell therapy or other tissue valves to treat congenital heart disease. So the future is very bright for us, and I'd really like to thank you all so much for coming. And again, thank you so much for supporting Little Hearts, and as I said, we really need your support. So thank you very much.
He had a choice. He makes millions of dollars, and for those parents that don't have that choice and have to return to work and don't know what they're going to do and how this came into their lives, there by the grace of God go on, right? We need to help them. They need to be with their children. So that's what this is all about. Thanks to Little Hearts for making that happen. They need to be where they need to be as mom and dad.
My name is very honored to work with Mike and all my colleagues at Children's Hospital and all our support staff, the GONs, the good-looking mothers of the wonderful patients we've had. It's an honor to work with. Thank you so much.